Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to talk to you all about money and YouTube and how much I've made on YouTube after making 1,500 videos across 3 channels. Let's get into it. I started making videos on YouTube a long time ago. My variety channel, that's this channel that we're on right now, I started that 15 years ago. And then I started my cooking channel, and that became my main channel, and it's still my main channel. And I grew that to 400,000 subscribers, and that was started in 2013, but I really didn't get really serious about it until probably 2016. At the probably November of 2019 is when I earned enough in 1 month to pay all my bills. So let us dive into this. I'm going to show you all 3 channels and how much each channel has made, and then I will show you the most popular video from each channel that's made the most money. So here we are. This is the lowest channel, and this is my new travel channel. This channel has 94 videos, 8,000 subscribers, and 94 videos. And the subscriber count is very deceiving because I tried out the YouTube promotion feature thinking that it would help grow the channel faster, and it wound up being kind of a waste of money. I have some videos here on my channel that you can check out if you want to learn more about the YouTube promote feature. But let's dive into this. So this channel has made nothing. 94 videos, and it's made 0 because it's not monetized yet. I still have quite a ways to go. If you look up here at my vidIQ thing, I only have 1,300 hours within a year. So I still got a long ways to go to get this one monetized, which is a shame because these videos I think are really, really good. But it'll get there. I'm just slowly but surely that'll get there. Now let's go to this channel, which is the variety channel. And I have right around 9,700 subscribers. And if you're one of my subscribers here on the channel, thank you for being a subscriber. Thank you for watching. And then if you're just new to the channel, appreciate you stopping by. And then this one has 284 videos. Now let's jump into the studio. All right, and then let's dive into the analytics. And let's go to revenue. Okay, I've made $45 so far in the past 28 days. Not very much. I used to make a lot more on this channel when I was more active on this channel, and I'll probably get more active on this channel as well. Now let's go to all time. Lifetime. So lifetime, over 15 years and 230 videos, this channel has made $15,630. Let me know in the comments if that's more or less than you were thinking for that amount of videos and that amount of time. And then lifetime, the video that has made the most is this one right here, which is just a little video on how to fix a leaky faucet in your tub. And I just show you how to switch out the little cartridge in there. And that video has almost 200,000 views and $2,000. So that's not too bad. That's pretty cool for that one video. I mean, there's a lot of videos on this channel that have made hardly anything, but that's pretty cool. And that was just a random video that I thought, hey, people might want to know how to do this. I was already going to be changing it out in my bathroom, so I'm like, well, maybe I'll just film it and throw it up there. I wasn't expecting it to do very well at all, and it's done really well. And then the second best one is this one. I used to be heavy into doing cryptocurrency videos, and I might do some more of that. So views-wise, it was about the same, but look at that much money, or the money estimated revenue, $2,800. So that's made more than the other one, and this I think is my top earner. And then this one, showing how to set up a link tree on your Instagram. This has almost $1,000. So you can see what these videos have made and kind of give you an idea of what those types of videos can make. Now, let me switch over to the main channel, the one that I've made most of my income. This is my cooking channel, In the Kitchen with Matt. 400,000 subscribers and about 1,200 videos on this channel. And keep in mind, there's a fair amount of shorts that I have on this channel, but mainly just kind of long form content like you see here. So let's dive into this. Here we go. And for the last 28 days, it's right around $3,300 for the month, or for 28 days. And then if you do like a 30-day analysis, which is right around a full month, this is about 3,400. Now, just keep in mind the month of April, the RPMs are lower. And as you know, well, YouTube fluctuates the RPMs during the months. Or revenue will fluctuate, with the higher revenue being at the end of the year. The last quarter is where the big money, or the bigger money, comes in. About almost double that much, not quite double. So let's look at the overall revenue now for the life of this channel. Bum, 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 bum. Drum roll as it comes up. $309,000. $309,000. Now, keep in mind that's over a long period of time. The channel was monetized fairly quickly back in the old monetization rules. And so if we take that, let's do a little calculator here. If we take 309,000 and 621 and divide that, so let's just say 6 years, or 6.5. $47,000 a year. And then if you add a little bit of money from the other channel, and this doesn't include any affiliates, and it doesn't include any of the money that I make from my website, and my website makes more than YouTube. But there you go, that kind of gives you an idea of what my lifetime, the channel has made in this lifetime. Now let me find a video that's made the most money. I know, looking down here, that I believe it's the cinnamon roll one that might have made the most. Let's look at that one. So lifetime for the cinnamon roll one, $22,000. Just that one video has made $22,000. Pretty awesome. I wish all of my videos made $22,000. Let's go back and take a look at another one. The current top earning one is my mozzarella cheese video, and that's $17,000. The crepes one has been a really good earner for me. The crepes one is the #1 earner, looks like. I haven't looked at these individuals for a while, but $29,000 since the beginning, and 6 million views for the crepes video. Even today though, if you go and search how to make crepes, this video shows up like #1 or 2. And I'm curious if that's still the case. So if you have some time, do a quick search for how to make crepes and see if my video is #1 or #2, and let me know in the comments. But there you go, folks. Let me know if this is higher or lower than you expected. And I am very grateful to be able to do this full-time as a living. Just from YouTube, I'm making between $45,000 and $55,000 a year right now. Hopefully this was helpful for you and gave you a little insight into what YouTubers make. Take care and happy YouTubing, everyone.